Delhi, the capital of a burgeoning nation. A pulsating, thriving, ever-moving population of 14 million Indians. A city that's called home by people from all corners of the country. Moving through the hustle and bustle and chaos that this metropolis cradles, it's easy to get caught up in its upwardly mobile dreams. But along with the promise of great progress and development, Delhi, like much of India, is now grappling with a serious threat. Detected in 1986 in India, HIV/AIDS is not a new disease for us. Our expanding populations, limited resources and collective ignorance make the situation ripe for the virus that has already affected approximately 2.4 million Indians. When it comes to a melting pot like Delhi, the stakes only get higher. It is estimated that 45% of the city's population is spread out amongst the 42 resettlement colonies and 1200 JJ clusters. Skewed sex ratios, increasing numbers of migrant laborers living away from families. Sex workers are just some of the contributing factors to the increasing number of HIV-affected people in these areas. And yet, as the Asia Pacific Bureau Chief of AIDS Healthcare Foundation, Dr. Chinkholal Thansing points out, awareness and preventive care remains abysmally low.
It's about 95% of people who are HIV infected never know they are positive because they never got tested. In India, the population is we've got a huge population, and then all people, whether from the communities or from various communities, they cannot afford to go to the so-called VCT centers or testing centers. And the important thing is to go to the community, to go to where the people are and bring the test to them.
Launched in June 2008, AHF's mobile clinic is an innovative way to reach out to those in need of HIV/AIDS preventive care. First, AHF and its partners identify sites with vulnerable population, such as migrants population and areas where HIV testing centers are unavailable. Then working with partner NGOs, organization, community leaders, it selects suitable sites where the community testing van donated by Boeing India can visit. This van is armed with the Health Task Force or HIV Task Force that brings the essentials of testing to the community.
नरेला जा रहे हैं हम लोग टेस्टिंग के लिए। हमारे ऑफिस से 50 किलोमीटर पड़ता है नरेला। फिर उसके बाद में हम लोग टेस्टिंग करते हैं, वैन वहाँ लगा देते हैं।
Our first stop for the day, Narela, one of the most densely populated industrial areas in the city. This is where almost 90,000 migrant laborers converge to earn their daily wages in the 3,000 odd small-scale plants. These are workers from neighboring states who are at an extremely high risk of contracting HIV. The mobile clinic has made getting tested much simpler for such people like Sunil Kumar. For Sunil, the news is good. He is HIV negative.
जांच कराने में डर लगा मेरे को। अब मेरी रिपोर्ट सही आई है, अब आगे से मैं ध्यान रखूंगा।
Not only that, he's learned a valuable lesson about preventing AIDS simply by walking into the van.
इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए। हमारी मोबाइल वैन अनेक जगहों पर जाती है। HIV टेस्टिंग करती है और उसमें हम लोग काउंसलिंग और टेस्टिंग प्लस रिपोर्ट तुरंत देते हैं कि शॉपकीपर होते हैं, ट्रक ड्राइवर होते हैं और रेड़ी खुमचे एंड और सब ऐसे जो माइग्रेंट वर्कर हैं वो भी आते हैं। हमारे पास जो क्लाइंट आते हैं जो गलतफहमियां लेके आते हैं, अनेकों तरह की उनकी गलतफहमियां होती हैं। जैसे कि वह कहते हैं कि हमें चूमने से भी HIV हो सकती है।
Fighting social stigma is one of the biggest tasks for AHF. Its awareness initiatives use many methods like street plays, magic shows and puppet shows to disseminate the message in an entertaining yet informative way.
मैंने इनका नुक्कड़ नाटक देखा तो मुझसे इसे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा, देखने में भी काफ़ी सीखने को मिला है कि हमें HIV से कैसे बचना चाहिए।
AHF also spearheads a massive 1 million test campaign worldwide during the World AIDS Week, leading up to the World AIDS Day. Slowly but surely, these efforts are bearing fruit.
तो पहले डर लग रहा था मैंने कैसे को होगा कैसे नहीं होगा, पता नहीं था पहले। फिर कह रहा बस थोड़ा सा खून लेना है और कुछ नहीं। फिर ऐसे ही पता भी नहीं चला हमें, तो खून टेस्ट हो गया हमारा और रिपोर्ट जब भी दे दिया उन्होंने, कह रहा ठीक है। और कई जो बातें बताई उन्होंने हमारे समझ में आई अच्छी तरह से।
It's time for the AHF Mobile Clinic to move on to its next step. It's the turn of Sanjay Gandhi Nagar, which is considered the transport hub of Delhi. More than 1,500 trucks pass by this area each day, and with truck drivers being another major transmission corridor for HIV, it's a natural pit stop for our team. As the team gets to work, taking blood and testing samples, the larger significance of this effort sinks in. For this high-risk population, immediate and conclusive results are of absolute importance. There's no delay in getting reports and therefore no delay in preventing the spread of the virus, and definitely no delay in administering effective treatment. As another day draws to a close for the AHF Mobile Clinic team, countless lives have been saved from the effects of HIV/AIDS. Countless others have become more aware of the virus, and many have been given a fresh hope.
मैं अपना जांच करवाई तो मुझे बीमारी कल गए, तो मैं हिम्मत से काम ली। मैंने हिम्मत से काम लेके मैंने इलाज करवाई, तो मैंने दवा खाई हिम्मत से और मैंने हिम्मत से रहने लग गई। मुझे ये भी विश्वास है कि मैं आगे मुझे के बहुत जीऊंगी।
Over 16,000 tests have been done by the AHF India Cares team. And on World AIDS Day, over 50,000 tests are expected to be conducted with AHF partners in various parts of Delhi, NCR and other states. And although this is just the beginning, AHF hopes this initiative will motivate the government to bring such services to the community and eventually tame the scourge of HIV/AIDS. And so, the van and its team know that they cannot rest. For tomorrow brings another day and another opportunity to fight against HIV/AIDS.